How critical is an online presence for businesses in this modern era, you might ask? Ponder on this. In a world where over 90% of business-to-business customers conduct online research prior to making a purchase decision, it's an undeniable fact that a robust online presence is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Today's discourse is a journey into the heart of online presence, examining how businesses can strategically position themselves in the digital space to capture and engage potential customers. Strap in, because this is a ride you don't want to miss. The first step in crafting an effective online presence is understanding customer behavior. Today, when customers face a problem or have a need, their first instinct is to reach for their devices and search for a solution online. Businesses must therefore position themselves in a way that they become the solution that these customers find. Next up is website optimization. A well-designed website not only attracts visitors but also engages them and builds lasting relationships. Your website should be a digital representation of your business, showcasing your values, offerings, and why you are the best choice for your target audience. Content optimization is another key aspect. The content on your website should not just be engaging and informative, but also search engine optimized. This increases your visibility on search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Then, we move to the often underestimated power of email marketing. Despite the rise of social media and other digital channels, email marketing remains one of the highest returning digital channels. Emails provide a direct line of communication to your customers, allowing you to engage them with personalized content that speaks to their specific needs and stage in the customer journey. To wrap up, building a strong online presence is a multi-step process. It starts with understanding your customers and their online behavior. Then, designing a website that accurately represents your business and engages your customers. This is followed by optimizing your content to increase visibility, and finally, leveraging email marketing to build personal relationships with your customers and drive conversions. In this digital age, the question is not whether to have an online presence or not. The question is, how effectively are you using your online presence to attract, engage, and convert your customers? Remember, an online presence is not just about being seen. It's about being seen by the right people, at the right time, and in the right way. Yeah.